AquaGuard.
Hi, I'm Joe Rusk, co-owner of AquaGuard Foundation Solutions. You ever lose focus on what's important in your business? It's usually caused by running in too many directions at the same time. You've heard the old saying, jack of all trades, master of none. That's why at AquaGuard we've zeroed in on our own core focus. Think of core focus as sort of an elevator speech if somebody asks you what you do for a living. What would you say in just 1 or 2 sentences? At AquaGuard, our core focus is simple. We provide sensible solutions for waterproofing, concrete, and structural support. If a service doesn't fit into that wheelhouse, we simply don't pursue it. And a clear core focus ensures that we are all rowing in the same direction here at AquaGuard. So let me ask you a question. What are you focusing on in your business? Until next time, have a great day from all of us at AquaGuard Foundation Solutions.